It's the last lap. They're homeward bound, and Tyler Courtney of the United States just have to circumnavigate.
Coming underneath, we've got trouble over there on the back straight. The 9 car out in front, diving to the inside now is Jason Kendrick on the outside, getting him back. What a great...
The end of the main straight takes lead. Williamson on the outside of the number 3 car. Down the back straight, they thunder down there. How's this for 3rd, 4th and 5th place at the moment? But there's no doubt about Madsen. He is long gone. Next race out, he'll come from the back of the bus. Going past our broadcast position, 6 down and 2 to go. Yeah. Then we find Caden Manders. So the field separated right around the field, but his grandmother's here tonight. She loves the speed car, and she loves the way the young guy. She couldn't talk to see the reason why, as Tom Payette leads them into AAA metal recycling it out of Robbie Goldie, Caden Manders, Michael Pickens, and Alfie Guadagnino. But the young car, and this man has absolutely churning up the raceway. The white flag comes out, 1 lap to go. Done a fabulous job to lead this event from the get-go. Certainly none coming off the car track, but the race is gone and going very well indeed. The hot foot, Kai Script.
We're off and racing into turn number 4. Look at them all getting around there. Are they going to squeeze around there? They are.
Look at Bradford.
Out of the race lead, about to be challenged. Butcher Lancaster down. I see at the moment Madsen and Bradford, they're racing at about midfield as we speak here in the main straight. Butcher from McHugh here in the main straight. 4th place is Element. 5th flag comes out. Wall on his way home. 2nd place is Element. 3rd place, who's that going to be? Still a raffle at the moment. Well, now they're packing up in behind. 5 cars as they go around turn number 2 in the back straight.
My goodness me. Slide Job City, population 5 in that one.
Short as they head into turn number 1. Slide job over at turn number 2. Paul Stubber, your new leader. Cardi with a different view.
Will the first move come from? So move out at turn number 1 and 2. Almost a slide job. Courtney
Here in the main straight, and he just cuts his way through the field. Dean McCallum continues to roll around for Trinny's plate if he can get his way to the front, and he picks up another position as I speak.
You throw a blanket over the 3 of them, and Payette has passed both of them as they come out of Pitts Bend back into the main straight.
It is Manders who is coming along with Dane Kingshot into the back straight. Now into turn number 4. Bang! 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 Oh no! East at the moment. That's east, and now about to turn north. And
As he comes into the main straight on lap number 30.
Madsen, Harding. Madsen ducks to the inside, takes over from Harding, slid straight. It's the red bullet as it starts to move, but here comes Kendrick. He moves forward. Williamson moves up into 4th place.
Jason Kendrick back there in 3rd place. Callum Williamson. What an unbelievable race.
Car title by winning this race tonight, and oh gee, Kendrick slid. And here we go, same spot, slide job. No, not this time. Madsen gets through.
In the AAA metal recycling, Kendrick grabs the lead momentarily, doesn't pay off that time. Young, this time round, the white flag comes out. Kendrick comes back once again. 1 lap to go, 500 metres of this man-made hell. Down the main straight into AAA metals recycling. Kerry Madsen, he has driven the wheels off this car. Back in 3rd place as young